Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade jelly soap step by step. Start by gathering clear glycerin soap, fragrance, colorant, molds, and a heat source. Sanitize your workspace and tools to keep the soap clear and safe. Measure ingredients carefully and plan any layers or embeds before melting. Work patiently, pouring in thin layers and allowing full cool time between pours for neat, jelly-like results. Heat the soap cubes gently until just melted, stirring frequently to avoid boiling and cloudiness. Use water-based colorants in small amounts to preserve the jelly look, and add fragrance oil suited for soap to avoid separation. If you want vibrant layers, cool slightly between pours. Keep a thermometer handy and avoid temperatures that exceed recommended melting points for your glycerin base to maintain clarity and texture. Pouring thin layers and allowing partial set between pours creates crisp, jelly-like layers that hold embeds well. If surface bubbles form, a quick spritz of 70% isopropyl alcohol will smooth them out. Place decorative embeds when the layer is tacky, not fully liquid, for precise positioning. Work methodically and label molds if making multiple variations so you can reproduce successful color and scent combinations later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.